learn how to configure EIGRP. So for that I am taking the small network, simple network, to understand the concept easily. So I am taking two routers, then I am taking two switches. You can take any router, any switch. Take two PCs. Then do the cabling. Connect the straight cable, EC2 switch, then connect another PC, then switch to router, router to router cross cable, then router to switch, straight cable, and switch to PC. Then I'm gonna assign the network. This is 192.168.1.0/24 network. This one 10.1.1.0/24 network. This is 192.168.2.0/24 network. Then I'm gonna assign the port IPs to the port. PC is 192.168.1.1. Then second one is 2, 192.168.1.2. The gig 0/0 is 254 192.168.1.254. Then this side 1 10.1.1.1. then here 2 10.1.1.2. this side again 254 192.168.2.254 2.1 192.168.2.1 192.168.2.2. so this is done. Now let's configure the IP address. 192.168.1.1 tab 192.168.1.254. this is the gateway router interface IP address as a gateway. Here same 192.168.1.2 tab 192.168.2.254 router interface. Let me come this side now. So this side will be 192.168.2.1 tab 192.168.2.254 router interface IP address. 192.168.2.2 tab 192.168.2.254 tab. Done. So PCs are done. Let's configure now router. So see, left side we have gig 0/0, right side we have 0/1. Initial configuration no, enable yes, config t, host name I'm gonna say R1 to identify. Then I'll say interface gig 0/0, enter IP address 192.168.1.254. then subnet mask 255.255.255.0. then I'll say no shut, interface will come up, the same thing, int is 0/1 IP address 10.1.1.1 I'll say no shut, interface will come up, but you can't see green because other side interface is not yet configured, is still down. Then I'll say exit, so we configured both interface. Now I'll say router EIGRP, and I will provide the AS number. So let's take AS number 100. Then I'll say network 192.168.1.0. You have to provide connected network. So 10.1.1.0 network 10.1.1.0, spelling mistake, sorry. Then I'm gonna say no auto hyphen summary. So we are done the router one. If you see this EIGRP 100, so this 100 autonomous system number, AS number, both sides should be same. So that means we are in same AS. So I'll say do WR, so I can go the other side. I'll minimize this. Let me open the router 2. When I open the router 2, I'll say no initial configuration. So I'm going to say enable config, then I'll say interface gig 0/0, enter IP address 192.168.2.254.255.255.255.0. No shut, it will come green, both sides is up. Then interface gig 0/1 IP address, then 10.1.1.2 255.255.255.0. No shut. Now both sides will be green because this side interface also up. Then I'll say exit router EIGRP AS number 100, then network 10.1.1.0 app, so network 192.168.2.0, only connected networks we have to assign. Then no auto summary, no auto hyphen summary. We are done, configuration is done now. Only now if I go on PC on command prompt, there's the IP config. I can see my IP is 192.168.1.1. So I'm gonna say ping 192.168.2.254. We have reply here. Then I'll say 2. It takes time. Then we'll get the reply also. Yeah. So the EIGRP configuration is done successfully. We configured EIGRP, and there is some commands you need to know. When you say exit show IP EIGRP neighbors. Oh, again the spelling mistake. So we are seeing our neighbor. This is 10.1.1.2. this is the neighbor. So this is this router is neighbor for this router is neighbor for that. So we have only one neighbor. So thank you for watching the video.